Hey YouTube, Jonathan here at Night Knowledge. Today's video are for some dear friends who were looking for a short video that would show them how to play Codenames and explain it to their friends. I don't have the game, and I thought it would be a nice opportunity to both show off my horrible drawing skills and show how easy the game is. In Codenames, two competing spy agencies are trying to get all their code words before the other team gets all of theirs. Each team assigns a person to be their spy master that sits at the end of the table. They share a square key card that is used to show which words they need their team to pick. This is kept hidden from the other players. They give their team one-word clues that are associated with words on the table. From that clue, it is up to their team to figure out what words the spy master wants them to pick. Words are randomly put on the table in a 5x5 grid facing the spy masters. The team that goes first is the one with the color on the outside of the key. Because going first is an advantage, that team must find one additional word versus the team that goes second. The spy master must give a one-word clue and a number associated with how many words are associated with their clue. After the word clue and number is given, the spy master must remain emotionless and not give any other hints, otherwise that is cheating. The other team members turn over the timer, decides which is the first word they agree on, and points to it. There are 4 different results. Either 1, they choose one of the team's words according to the key, in which you put their color spy token on that word to indicate they're right. So if the blue spy master gives out a clue, blue team chooses a word, and if they choose right, then the blue token goes on that specific word that they've pointed out. Or 2, they choose their opponent's word, in which you put the opponent's color spy token on the word and their turn ends. Or 3, they choose a tan word and a tan bystander token is put on the word and their turn ends. Or 4, they choose the black word. The black assassin token is put on the word and that team has lost the game immediately. If a team chooses their word correctly, they may continue guessing words up to the number associated with the word clue, once again following the above results. For example, if the spy master gave out a word with the number 3, if the team guesses correctly each time, they may guess 3 times in total. If they guessed all their words correctly, they have the opportunity to guess one more time. This might be to make up for previously failed guesses or to get an advantage. The latter is risky because they have no basis on what word might be theirs, and wrong guesses either give their opponent's words or might even lose immediately. Note that a team may stop guessing at any time. Teams take turns with the spy master giving clues and their team guessing words until one team has guessed all of their own words. That team wins. So that's the basic explanation to how to play Codenames. Additional rules, such as whether synonyms are valid, are at the back of the book, which you'll need to read, but they should be easy to understand. I hope this helps you explain this to your group and that you have fun with it. Leave a comment below if you have any questions and I can hopefully answer them for you. Check out my channel for other videos on board games. My blog, nightknowledge.com, for another place for my videos and written entries and guides. Thanks for watching today. Happy gaming. I'll see you next time.